one is open from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m., but in the summer to 5 a.m. As you can see, there are plenty of crane games to play, and there's a lot of new stuff, and I'll show you what we won at the end. Here's a new Marvel photo booth, and we took advantage of that. Hopefully I can stick the pictures that we got here. And there's a lot of horror games that they added. And of course, we had some card games that we played, and those are pretty fun. You load money onto a card, and then you swipe it in these, and that's how you play. And the more you put on the card, the more value you get out of it. So you'll definitely want to save up some money and be able to take advantage of the bonuses. Hi! We are back from round 1 in Exton PA, and I thought I'd show you what we won. Okay, now, full disclosure, as you can see some of the stuff back here, we did not go in with $10 and win all this. We spent hundreds of dollars. I spent $200, and my husband spent a few hundred. Mine was my birthday money, so it did cost us some money to win all this. And so let's check out what we got. We'll start with the stuff my husband picked out for himself. Let's see, we got this guy. He's cool. I don't know if it'll focus. And he's no longer in his box, so we got him using tickets. And my husband got him also using tickets. He must have been in a Dragon Ball Z mood. Now this one was in a crane game, so he won these from the crane game. Pretty awesome. And we got Goku. Now there was a third one that you could win, but the way it was set up, yeah, it was impossible. You were never gonna get all three, without spending a ton. All right, let's move on to the stuff I picked out. All right, so I guess we'll start with all the claw machine stuff. All right, so Taco. He came from a claw machine. You had to get 3 colored balls, move them from one area over to the other one, and my husband won him. He was pretty good at moving the balls around. I won this one from a traditional UFO catcher. Some people were working it and they got it into position. I could tell it would be easy to get it, so I went ahead and got it. Oh, Hamburger Kitty is my favorite, and I won this one from a giant claw machine. And he's so cute. I'm so glad that I won it. Everybody was walking around with these. It must have been the one that they were making easy for everyone to win. And I'm so glad. This one was also from a traditional Japanese UFO catcher. And my husband worked it for a while, and then he walked away to redo his card. And then I won it. So he got it in the right position, and then I got him out. So that's everything we got from the claw machines, and everything else we got from winning with tickets. So we won, I know my husband won 11,000 tickets, and I won 2,700, so he won a lot more than me. He was much more lucky than I was. He got all kinds of bonuses and jackpots, and I got 0, of course, like always. So I picked this out. It's gonna be my new pouch for my purse. Oh, it's so cute, Radakuma. We had some, after we picked everything out we wanted, we had a whole bunch of extra, so we just got a bunch of candy. We got these before and they were good, so I got a bunch of them. And got a Radakuma face mask, so this should be fun to do. Radakuma wallet. So I can't wait to transfer all my stuff into here. I didn't do it yet because I wanted to make this video first, but now I can switch. Yay! Oh, actually, my husband got him from a UFO catcher. Doing, was it the balls? Yes, You had to get 2 colored balls to get him, so I forgot about him. Another Rallikuma. They had a lot of Rallikuma. They had a lot of Pusheen. I'm wondering what happened to all the other Japanese stuff. Hopefully they get more in. But he's got a little hidden place here. I haven't put anything in it yet, so that's cool. Hide your stuff. He also has a little hidden spot. I guess that's a new thing, and I actually put this Pokemon from the fake Kinder Egg, the Japanese Kinder Egg, in there, because, well, it was in the cart and I didn't know where else to put it, so I stuck it in there. Oh, here's something my husband picked out. It's Scary Terry. We love Scary Terry. I love Nightmare Before Elm Street. I love Freddy, and then of course generic Freddy, Scary Terry is also awesome. I got this cute purse. I can't wait to use. It's so cute. Meow Meow here is not from round 1. Ow! He lives here all the time. Alright? Look at this purse. This is so cute. I can't wait to use it when I just want to travel light. I can just put my cell phone and some money in there and go. And it'll be adorable. This weird standing cat. We got him because he is just so weird. We had to pick him. I noticed there aren't as many butts anymore on them. I wonder why. I hope nobody complained about the butts because those were cute. I think that's everything. So, yep. Big old mess of stuff down here. Look at all that stuff. But if you are going to round 1 in Exton PA anytime soon, now you know what to expect when you get there. Yay! And they're so cute. So much better than like what you see at a carnival or American places. They're just so much better. Such better quality. If you're going, I hope you have fun. I hope you win a whole bunch of stuff too. Hopefully you'll have better control over how much you spend. But we did save for a long time. We knew we were going. That's what I wanted to do for my birthday. So we saved and knew that we were wasting that money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And soon we'll be going to round 1 in Japan, which is exciting. Yay! So stick around for that. And I'll see you later. Mata ne!